Well, good morning. This is episode 7. If you recall, I left us at episode 6, where I had cut the bad pieces of the sides of the back off. Well, after I stopped rolling, I went ahead and started cutting and gluing and fitting new pieces of wood to fill in the space of the bad pieces of wood. So I got that all glued up, clamped up, lots of clamps, as you saw, the ones I just put back up. And this morning, I took it out of clamps, and this is where we are. So I'm going to start with shaping these new pieces of wood to blend in with the original edges. Get them all nice and sanded, looking good. Then I'm going to move on to considering gluing up the back. There's some things I want to go back with differently. We'll talk about that. But I don't know if we're going to make it all the way to glue up in this episode. But let's see. Let's get to shaping some wood. Here we go. You quacked me up. Well, I didn't realize it, but the microphone I attached to my cap went dead. I had to charge it back up. So you don't get the awesome sound of this hand planer. I rarely get the opportunity to use this little guy. I picked it up kind of on a whim, but it came in really handy for this task. Now, my goal here is not to make it perfectly flush, because you really can't get it right with a hand planer. I just need to get it down far enough so that I can then come back with my sander and then make it flush. So, enjoy. I pieced it all back together. It's really looking good. What I've got now are nice, flush edges with no tear out or missing pieces. It's looking really good. Now, one of the improvements I'm going to do, the slats were stapled straight through the back, so you can see the staples if you looked at the back of the Armoire. I don't like that. So, here's what I'm going to do. Okay. You see this middle piece here? It's got this long groove cut in. So from the inside, you don't see the staples. But from the outside, the slats are sitting on that ledge, so you see the staples. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plane this piece down such that it's flush with the slats, and then I'm going to glue another piece on that's the same size as what you see on the inside. So I'm going to be making a groove here, just like the sides have that groove there. They'll sit in there nice and neat. I'm going to be gluing them anyway, no staples. So nothing will show, and all of these staple holes will be hidden. So let me go plane all three of the horizontal pieces, and I'll be right back. Take one so I know the height. That was a lot of planing, cutting, but still think I have a good plan. This is what the back pieces are going to look like. So, let me get them glued up. Well, I think that will wrap up episode 7. Thanks for sticking with me. That'll do, Duck.